In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw crypto from Binance to Kraken. Before we start, make sure you're signed into the Binance app on your mobile device and that you have the correct deposit address from your Kraken account for the specific cryptocurrency you plan to move. Blockchain transfers are irreversible, so accuracy is everything. Open the Binance app on your phone. From the home screen, look to the bottom right and tap Assets. This takes you to your wallet overview. Next, switch to the funding section. This is where you'll initiate the transfer out of Binance to another platform. Tap Send. You'll see different transfer options. Choose On-Chain Withdraw. This is important because it sends your crypto through the blockchain to an external address, like your Kraken deposit address, rather than moving it within Binance. Now select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Pick the exact asset you intend to deposit into Kraken. It's essential that Kraken supports deposits for that coin, and just as importantly, that you use a network supported by Kraken for that coin. In the address field, paste the Kraken deposit address for the coin you selected. Double check every character. If the asset you're withdrawing requires a memo, tag, or destination note, common with coins like XRP or XLM, make sure to include it exactly as shown by Kraken. Leaving it out can cause delays or loss of funds. Next, select the network. This must match what Kraken supports for that coin. For example, some assets can use multiple networks with different fees and speeds, but the network you choose in Binance must match the network displayed on Kraken's deposit page for that coin's address. If you're unsure, take a moment to confirm in Kraken and choose the exact same network here. Enter the amount you want to send. You'll see the network fee and the amount that will arrive after fees. Be mindful of minimum withdrawal amounts and make sure the net amount meets Kraken's deposit minimums. If it's your first time transferring this asset, consider starting with a small amount to build confidence. When everything looks correct, the coin, the address, the network, and the amount, tap Withdraw. Binance may prompt you to confirm with security checks such as code verifications. Complete those prompts to finalize the withdrawal. After submitting, the transfer will move through the blockchain. You can monitor the status in Binance's transaction history and watch for the deposit to appear in your Kraken account once the required confirmations are reached. That's it. You've successfully moved your crypto from Binance to Kraken.